Okay, good morning. Today is the last of the week. It's Friday, May 22nd, 2020. We are moving into a 3-day weekend. So this is your last day in this packet, and then we will see each other on Tuesday. So go ahead and turn to your Friday section and practice writing today's date because we are working with proper nouns. So we're going to capitalize the M in May. It's the 22nd and it's 2020. And if we want to practice writing the dates with numerals, 5/22/20. Okay? Okay, so first thing that we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking our spelling test. So I am going to remove this so that I can read your words from a previous page. If I go too fast, just pause me and then write your words, okay? All right, here we go. Number 1 is meadow. Number 2 is explain. Number 3 is enjoy. Number 4 is raccoon. Number 5 is display. Number 6 is play. Number 7 is balloon. Number 8 is ball. Number 9 is away. Number 10 is repeat. Okay, great. So then what you're going to do is you can use a previous list and grade yourself. Circle what your grade is. If you got 100 and you want to send me a picture, I'd love to share it with the class. If you need me to grade it for you, you can send me a picture of your spelling test and I will grade it for you. Okay, then we're turning to our assessment. We're going to have a practice assessment and then we're going to have our actual assessment. The copy on this came out a little better than last week's, but it looks like part B is still pretty hard to see. Excuse me. So I'm going to rewrite those for you. Okay, so part A says check yes if the apostrophe is written in the correct place. Oh, I'm sorry. It says check yes if an apostrophe should be used. Check no if an apostrophe should not be used. So I would use a highlighter for this as well. I will read each one of these for you, but I'm only going to demonstrate number 1. Okay, so it says number 1, the little girl's bag is here. So does the bag belong to the little girl? And the answer is yes. So there should be, yes, there should be an apostrophe there because it does show ownership. The bag belongs to the girl. If you want to push yourself even further, I'm going to fix the arrow on that. Then you could actually add your apostrophe where it should go. Okay? All right. So number 2 says the students like going to recess. Should there be an apostrophe? Number 3, the dog's house is over there. Number 4, the teacher's desk is a mess. Number 5, the pages for homework are hard. Okay? Section B. Now this is where the copy is a little bit light. So I'm going to rewrite it. And it says circle the phrase that is written correctly. Boys skipping or boys clothes. Which one is written correctly? All right. Number 2 says the kitten's toy, or should it be written the kitten's toy? Okay, and number 8 says the girl's purse, or girl's talking. Which one is written correctly? Okay, so at the bottom, write a sentence showing ownership and use the names provided. Chelsea and Penelope. If you want to use your name in one of these, you can do that. Or if you want to use your classmates' names, you can do that too. These are names of students that I had last year. So definitely, I bet you this name's looking familiar with somebody. Okay. And the next page, you're going to be doing the same thing. So I'm going to reread these. I'm not going to demonstrate them because I demonstrated how you're supposed to do this on the last page. And then I will rewrite part B for you because that is very light. So same directions for part A. Check yes if an apostrophe should be used or no if an apostrophe should not be used. And I would suggest taking your highlighter and highlighting out your noun and if there is ownership. Okay, so number 1, the student's scooter is here. Number 2, the students want to go outside. And actually, I'll go ahead and demonstrate with this one, number 2. Here, the students want to go outside. You do have a plural noun, but there is no ownership. So I would check no because there shouldn't be an apostrophe there. Okay? All right. Number 3, the kids like playing. Number 4, the kids' homework is not done. Number 5, the dog's bone is over there. Okay, part B. Should there be an apostrophe? Which one is written correctly? Kids running or kids bike? Dogs house or dogs barking? Number 8, fishes swimming or fishes bowl. Okay? All right. And then numbers 9 and 10, you're going to write a sentence showing ownership. The first one says Sophia. The second one says Jonathan, but you can change these names to be the name of somebody at your house or somebody in our class if you'd like. Okay? Just make sure you show ownership here. All right? Using your apostrophe appropriately. Okay, so then we come to math. This is actually a quiz, and you're going to be working with a pictograph, which you see at the top, and you know that I like to go through and analyze my chart first. So Lori has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, blocks. All right, so you would do the same thing with Jessica and Aaron. So you're analyzing first and then answering. It says use the pictograph to write the number and ring more or fewer. So I will read each one of these out to you, okay? Number 1 says Aaron has blank more or fewer blocks than Jessica. Now, I'll actually model this. So Aaron has, let's see, she has 1 less than Lori, so I know she's going to have 8, but I'm still going to count just to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, okay. So Aaron has 8, and then Jessica has, well, let's see, she's got 2 fewer than Aaron, so it should be 6, but I'm still going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6. So Aaron has 2 more than Jessica because we would just do 8 minus 6 equals 2. Okay, so that's how you work that out. All right, number 2, Jessica has blank more or fewer blocks than Lori. Number 3, Lori has blank more or fewer blocks than Aaron. Same thing that you're seeing here. You're going to analyze your chart, ring or circle more or fewer. Or I should say you're going to analyze your pictograph. Matthew has blank more or fewer shells than Caden. Number 5, Caden has blank more or fewer shells than John. Okay, and then today you are doing your final draft. So you're going to write about your celebrity lunch today, and we had some really great conversation around those brainstorms that you guys did on Monday. I was really proud of all the participation. People were writing about having lunch with Michael Jackson, which was really cool, or a YouTuber. So if you finish your final draft, I would love a picture of it because I'd love to share it with our class. All right, boys and girls, so make sure you are being kind to your brothers and sisters. Make sure you're spending time on Raz Kids, IXL, and Freckle at least today, and then go to Prodigy only after you've done those. Get outside, find at least one thing that you can do to help around the house, and have a great Memorial Day weekend. Bye, guys.